Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I'll tell you my style of recording and uploading. It's very spontaneous. So, whatever you see, it is in real time. The script is ready in my head, and I am just like right away recording it. That's the reason why the footage is extremely honest and raw. उसमें कोई editing नहीं रहती है, उसमें कुछ minus and plus नहीं रहता है. So that's what I wanted to say, that ki that's the reason why kabhi kabhi it is so brutally honest. It is unfiltered actually, completely. और मैं क्या करती हूँ, फटाफट बाल कंघी करके एक काजल लगा के लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ, कभी कभी वो भी नहीं लगाती हूँ, एंड आई जस्ट टेक द कैमरा एंड आई स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग बिफोर आई फॉरगेट माय आइडिया और माय कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड जो मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट और आइडियाज़ होते हैं वो काफ़ी हद तक यूनिक रहते हैं, बिकॉज वो थॉट प्रोसेस इज ऑल्टरनेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस, राइट. व्हेन आई एम सिटिंग एंड एनालाइजिंग, व्हेन आई एम सिटिंग एंड डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड देन processing that information and then putting it out on the digital platform, it's a journey, it's a process, okay, it doesn't happen overnight. So once the script is clear in my head, I just pick it up and I start uploading. So kabhi kabhi you will find 2 videos in one day, sometimes it's daily one, ekad rahega, ya kabhi kuch bhi nahi rahega. Most of the times, as I said, there's a clarity as to what I'm going to speak, right? So there will be some dead air and I'll be like fiddling with my hair and my hand movements will be there. लोगों को इससे तकलीफ होती है and they're triggered with my appearance or my kind of language. I would request them कि avoid it. Watch something else, because मेरा तो फेस अभी बदलने वाला तो है नहीं. वो तो वैसे ही रहेगा, मेरा वॉइस, मेरा फेस, मेरी पर्सनालिटी. अभी इट वोंट बी कस्टम मेड ना टू प्लीज एवरीबडी. तो जिनको नहीं ही प्रॉब्लम होती है या कुछ हेल्थ इश्यूज होते हैं मुझे देख के, तो आई वुड प्रिफर कि दे शुड नॉट बी वॉचिंग माई कॉन्टेंट. एंड दोज हु आर वॉचिंग, my beloved subscribers, my regulars, my viewers, I would request them to not just brush it off कि नहीं ये just parody है, नहीं ये just give a thought to it. Participate, comment. If you're not even subscribed, it's okay. You can give your opinion. Be into it. Be in an active communication or have a conversation or a discussion. I would love to mention most of my subscribers, but one of them जो very very regularly you'll find the comments in the comment section is Ankit Jha. He is a very young boy and he at least puts that effort of expressing his opinions, and that is, he might not be right all the time and he might not be wrong all the time, but he has the courage to put that, write that one line, right, 1 or 2 lines, and I really appreciate that. I appreciate each and every of my viewers who put that effort of at least writing one line, right. चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, अपने खुद के ओपिनियंस, अपने खुद के फीडबैक, सजेशन, आइडियाज, दे आर ऑलवेज वेलकम. And it's not easy to pick up your camera and to just go on talking. I don't know how people do it on TikTok or Insta. You have to be a narcissist, you have to be mentally damaged in your head to be focusing on yourself all the time without generating any value for your content, right? You have to understand that I'm not monetized, so it is every single investment comes from my own pocket, so I have to think about that also. Not that it is that great an amount, but still I hope you understand. When I'm doing parodies also, that means there is an analysis of the propaganda spread by the media. So you have to understand कि ये किस तरह से कॉमेडी का सहारा लेके, मतलब ये एड्स का सहारा लेके, म्यूजिक का सहारा, मूवीज का सहारा लेके, बुक्स का सहारा लेके क्या क्या करते रहते हैं. Sorry, I'm repeating some of my words in Hindi, and it's in Hindi and English because that's the way it is. Another thing, today's topic is about incest. which I was always avoiding. It's about Bates Motel, and Ankit was always asking me last year, "Ma'am, why don't you review it?" See, the reason, because I know the seriousness of this theme. तो मुझे बहुत ऐसे कुछ तो अजीब लगता था. I said, how do I talk about this and how do I present it? But as I said, 2022, as I said, there are new beginnings and new vision to my channel. So I said, let me स्पीक अबाउट दिस. चलो ग्राफिक्स नहीं है, इलास्ट्रेशंस नहीं है, तामझाम नहीं है, बट आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू put forth my points, what exactly it is. If you've seen Netflix ka Bates Motel, it is a relationship between a mother and a son, and they have this motel kind of a thing where people are visiting in and out, but the main focus is the relationship between the mother and her son, and there's a lot of sexual tension. Agar tum shorts dekhoge on Netflix, if you all can find some trailer on YouTube, please have a look. There's so much of sexual tension, the possessiveness, the unspoken words, the sexual chemistry, the physical closeness. अभी तुम सोचो, माँ क्या होती है? माँ अपने पेट से बच्चे को जन्म देती है. So there's a close bond, but you're sexualizing that bond. मतलब तुम इतने चीज़ को वेरी ओपनली लाके डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे रखते हो, मीडिया में रखते हो, तो एवरीबडी इज़ वॉचिंग दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट people are not abusing their children. Our parents can be, there might be some parents who are pedophiles, who are sexually abusing their own children. There is no doubt about it. But this is hush, it is behind the curtains. But very openly to show attraction, the boy being attracted to the mother because the mother looks quite attractive and she's so possessive and like a helicopter, suffocating him all the time, being in his personal space, using him like a possession or a property, कि ये किसी से बात ना करे, किसी से, ये सिर्फ मेरे आसपास घूमता रहे, ये मेरी प्रॉपर्टी है. सो कैन यू इमेजिन वो लड़की के ऊपर कैसा असर होता है? ही बिकम्स लाइक अ मम्माज बॉय, ही बिकम्स लाइक अ गे बिकॉज ही बिकम्स सो फेमिनाइज्ड, बिकॉज ही इज इन क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट विद द मॉम ऑल द टाइम. एंड माँ बाप ना के बराबर है, या तो मर चुका है, या तो इट्स सेपरेटेड और डिवोर्स्ड और नॉट इन द सीन. सो ये जो लड़के होते हैं एंड मेरी मम्मी ने बनाया, अभी वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द अंडरलाइंग अट्रैक्शन इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. इट्स इवन नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट, क्या तुम इस तरह से कैसे बोल सकती हो मेरी माँ के बारे में? अभी जो फैक्ट है वो फैक्ट है. जो वो सीरियल में, जैसे वो सीरीज में, हाउ दे हैव शोन इट वेरी क्लियरली, the woman itself is also very involved with her son because he is young. Yes, it's a very cougar kind of a predatory kind of a behavior on the mother's part, where she's like completely obsessed with the child's innocence and virginity, and he's very raw and real, and he's completely under her control. So you understand, it is like it is more of a being a control freak, and at the same time, since there's a close proximity and they are under one roof, so you can imagine the kind of interaction because they are always close together. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा awkward situation रहता है actually, बट सिंस सो मच ऑफ क्लोजनेस, थर्ड पर्सन को आने की वहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं होती. इवन इफ ही हैज़ अ गर्लफ्रेंड, शी विल बी ऑलवेज एन आउटसाइडर. इवन इफ द मदर हैज़ अ हस्बैंड और द चाइल्ड्स फादर विल ऑलवेज बी एन आउटसाइडर, बिकॉज इन्होंने इतना क्लोज बॉन्ड करके रखा है और इनके बीच में कोई नहीं जा सकता. इट इज़ वेरी अनहेल्दी, डेंजरस एंड स्कैरी सिचुएशन बिटवीन पेरेंट्स एंड देयर ऑफस्प्रिंग. मतलब बच्चों के और पेरेंट्स के बीच में इस तरह का, माँ बाप के बीच में इतना खतरनाक सा रिश्ता होना, ट्रायंगुलेशन होता है, कंपटीशन होता है. I will, as in when I get any points, I can talk about very openly. Mother and father and daughter relationship के बारे में भी I'll speak, I'll explain कि हमारे मीडिया, स्पेशली बॉलीवुड में, किस तरह से वो हाइड करते हैं ये मदर एंड सन रिलेशनशिप. बट वो उसको थोड़ा वो ऐसे ट्रिवियलाइज करते, उसको मिनिमाइज करते, बट द एंड लाइन थीम इज दैट यू नो दैट यू आर सो मेंटली ऑब्सेस्ड विद ईच एंड अदर, राइट. फिर वो ऐसे रोमांटिक एंगल वगैरह डाल के उसको ऐसे फूंक देते हैं. Okay, as of now, only this much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself, and always focus on your uh, on your improvement and developing your skills. Do not wait for third person to come and tell you things. Take some responsibility in your life. Just say, be careful of the content you're watching on social media or otherwise, or TV or radio, or print, whatever you're doing. Do not just consume because it's available. Okay, that's all I want to say. And Ankit, I hope if this analysis of mine is satisfactory, do give me your points, your point of view rather, and others are also welcome, but khas karke it was for Ankit because he always kept insisting that I did it and I was delaying it. I was not comfortable with it. मुझे ये topic पे बात ही नहीं करना था, but today I said why not. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.